an island off the coast of Costa Rica. We've made living attractions so astounding that they'll capture the imagination of the entire planet.
Come on!
Welcome to Jurassic World.
To see Jurassic World come to life is like seeing Jurassic Park come true.
Just like taking a stroll through the woods 65 million years ago.
Steven had the idea to make a movie about our relationship with animals on our planet right now.
Eyes on me. We're moving.
Every time we've unveiled a new attraction, attendance has spiked.
Jurassic World goes down an original road, and it's a breathtaking adventure.
We have a new attraction, our first genetically modified hybrid.
You just went and made a new dinosaur? Probably not a good idea.
She was designed to be bigger than the T-Rex.
When you create an animal for your own amusement, it doesn't go well for the humans.
We have an asset out of containment.
You got 20,000 people. They have no place to go.
As a fan of Jurassic Park, I feel there's a responsibility to make sure that you're delivering something that the people who made this franchise would be proud of. We're going after it with everything we got.
My goal with this movie has always been to make adults be able to feel like they're kids again.